All right, guys. So it's your boy TuPhones. I just wanted to make this quick video. So I don't know if you guys know about this game, Overwatch 2. Earlier in the week, had some major issues. Nobody could log in. Well, majority of the people couldn't log in. But I finally gave it a test run today, and they sent me some more information. Was it Blizzard or BattleNet, Battle.net? You have to go through all this authentication stuff. So I finally got in. Blizzard finally got Overwatch to work. Yeah, it's still kind of iffy right now. As you can see, I don't get any picture right here down there for breaking news or anything, and like for updates. But let's just see if it let me just get into the game. Like not in the game, but actually like the menu. I couldn't even get in the menu at first. Let's see. And it had so many people logging in, like or playing. It was showing you the amount. So okay, it still look like it has a little issues with the Nintendo Switch version. Oh, okay, maybe not. It finally kicked in, I guess. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can pick a hero. Let's see. Okay, this part pops up. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, you can rotate. Let me see. Let me check that out. Let's see. Okay, so you can rotate the character, the hero. Okay, let me get out. Go to the main menu. Let's see if the shop. See, it still takes a while for it to load up, so it's still some issues here on the Switch version of Overwatch. Okay. For some reason, it might be my Wi-Fi connection. I have to double check, but I seriously doubt it's my Wi-Fi. Okay, things are catching back up. Now, as you can see, like I'm using the D-pad, or it could be my Joy-Con. I don't know. But see, everything's so slow to load up. All right, let me back up. Let me go to try to hit play. Let's see what happens. Okay, everything's locked still. Okay, because I just got into the game, like I said today. All right. Okay, so I'm finally into the tutorial. All right. But let me know if you guys still having issues with Overwatch 2 on any system.